This cutting board with a colander brings functionality and efficiency to the kitchen. Featuring a detachable, collapsible strainer, it's perfect for rinsing and chopping fruits or vegetables. Made from sturdy polyethylene, the cutting board is durable yet gentle on your knives. Non-slip rubber edges keep it steady, and raised sides channel juices, keeping your countertop tidy. This tongs spatula combo tool simplifies flipping and serving food. Featuring a secure, heat-resistant rubber handle, it offers a solid grip on meats and veggies. The stainless steel build ensures durability, and its 16-inch length gives you reach over hot surfaces. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just pop it in the dishwasher or hand wash as you prefer. This bathtub caddy tray adds both convenience and elegance to bath time. Crafted from durable bamboo, it securely supports books, tablets, or other essentials while you soak. The tray extends to fit most tubs and includes non-slip pads for added stability. Enjoy a relaxing bath with everything within arm's reach. This dry erase calendar keeps you organized by planning daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Its sturdy magnet attaches securely to any smooth metal surface like fridges or filing cabinets, so you never have to worry about it slipping. The clear design helps you view appointments, reminders, and tasks instantly, bringing structure to your routine. This toddler tower doubles as a step stool and a versatile helper for children. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or study, engaging kids as they explore their surroundings. With both standing and sitting options, it nurtures independence, allowing kids to join activities like baking. The folding feature lets you save space when it's not in use, making it a practical addition to any home. This corner bar cabinet transforms any room into your own personal bar. Featuring an RGB LED light strip with 16 colors and various flash modes, it sets the mood for gatherings. With ample storage, it includes a mirrored display for bottles and glasses, a wine rack, and glass holders, helping you stay organized. Ideal for a cozy wine night or lively parties. This constrainer simplifies draining canned foods. Just snap it on, turn the can upside down, and pour out liquid from tuna, veggies, and more. Its odorless design keeps your kitchen smelling fresh, and its slim, flat shape makes it easy to store. Cleaning is a breeze, so you're ready for the next can in seconds. This smart blind is a 2-in-1 design for windows, featuring both blackout and light filtering shades. With independent controls, it easily adapts between privacy and natural light, offering versatile use in any space. The 15-channel remote lets you operate multiple blinds individually or together. Plus, you can set schedules for automatic control. For even more convenience, manage it with the app via Bluetooth, adjusting settings effortlessly from your phone. This herb keeper is perfect for keeping your herbs fresher for longer. It includes a collapsible lid with air vents, allowing herbs to breathe while staying fresh. Its flip and slide lid and sheath provide easy access with minimal handling. The slim design fits neatly in your fridge door, helping herbs last up to 10 days longer. 3 dividers and a water window make refilling and organizing simple. This wallet-sized mini tripod is a handy tool for on-the-go photography. It supports both portrait and landscape orientations, making it ideal for capturing content for social media. The design ensures a steady hold on your phone without wobbling, giving you clear shots every time. Plus, it's compatible with any phone or case under 12.5 millimeters thick, so you can use it confidently. This stylish waterless diffuser brings both fragrance and ambiance to your space. With an intuitive button control, you can adjust fragrance intensity and duration over 7 levels. Choose from warm, cool, or gradient lighting to match your mood, creating a peaceful atmosphere. The diffuser makes it easy to enhance any room with soothing scents and soft lighting, ideal for relaxation. This ice ball maker creates large, crystal clear spheres perfect for drinks. It molds impressive 2.4-inch round ice balls, adding elegance to cocktails, whiskey, or coffee. The design promotes slow freezing, so the ice melts slower, preserving the flavor of your drink. With an easy-to-use mold, you'll have perfectly formed ice every time, elevating your beverage experience with minimal effort. This cozy recliner chair is made for ultimate relaxation with plush teddy fleece that wraps you in comfort. It sets up easily without tools thanks to helpful installation tips. The chair's electric controls are simple to use, adjusting quietly to your preferred position. With features like a flexible power cord and side pockets, this chair is perfect for enjoying cozy moments in any room. This versatile book light is perfect for reading or crafting, offering 3 color temperatures: yellow, warm white, and cool white, and 6 brightness levels. Its long-lasting rechargeable battery keeps it powered for up to 80 hours, perfect for lengthy reading sessions. With an ergonomic neck design, it's comfortable to wear hands-free, providing just the right light without straining your eyes. This durable water bottle makes it easy to stay hydrated on the go with a 30-ounce capacity. It's perfect for water, smoothies, or iced coffee, featuring double-wall vacuum insulation that keeps drinks cold for up to 12 hours or iced for up to 2 days. The flip straw ensures leak-free sipping, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. This foldable electric kettle is designed for travel enthusiasts, packing compactly for easy storage. It offers 5 functions with an intelligent panel, letting you monitor water temperature and set operation times. With a detachable cord and foldable handle, it's super portable and comes with a velvet bag. A wide spout makes it easy to clean, so it's always ready for your next trip. This modern LED night light has a sleek design and blends perfectly with any decor. Its adjustable brightness offers the right level of light for any setting. Equipped with a dusk to dawn sensor, it turns on automatically at night and off during the day, saving you energy and providing consistent illumination when you need it. This cap organizer offers an easy way to keep your hats accessible. With 10 curved slots and a non-slip silicone base, it holds your cap securely and requires no assembly. Perfect for renters, it's ready to use right out of the box. The freestanding design means you can move it anywhere, adapting to any room or storage space. This flexible jar scraper is designed to get every last bit out of jars. With its sturdy body and silicone tip, it's perfect for scooping spreads or mixing ingredients. Made from BPA-free, food-safe materials, it's also heat-resistant, so you can use it for various tasks. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze after cooking or baking. This outdoor LED wall light adds ambiance and style to any area, from patios to garages. Available in sizes from 12 to 94 inches, it easily adapts to different spaces and syncs with one remote. You can adjust the brightness and choose from cool, neutral, or warm white tones. The remote's memory function remembers your settings, offering customized lighting every time. This cable sleeve organizer provides an easy way to manage cables. Just wrap it around cords and zip it up, giving you a neat, organized workspace in seconds. It not only prevents clutter, but also protects cords from damage. The sleeve is customizable and can be cut to your preferred length, making it perfect for any setup. This slim light bar attaches to the top of your monitor, freeing up desk space while reducing screen glare. Using the wireless remote, you can adjust color temperature and brightness to suit your needs. Perfect for work or watching movies. It minimizes flicker and reduces eye strain, offering a comfortable viewing experience no matter how long you're at the screen. This smart air scent machine uses cold air diffusion to disperse essential oils as fine particles, filling the room evenly. The Bluetooth app lets you customize your scent experience remotely, so you're in control of fragrance settings. With a built-in fan and mess-free design, it's low maintenance and keeps your space smelling fresh without frequent cleaning. This veggie chopper makes food prep simple with a stainless steel blade that rotates as you pump, evenly chopping veggies, herbs, and nuts. Its easy-to-grip knob requires minimal effort, and the catcher cup with measurement markings helps you keep portions neat. Get perfectly diced ingredients with less mess, ideal for any kitchen setup. This rechargeable ear cleaner uses water pressure to safely clean your ears. With 3 pressure options, you can choose between a gentle wash or more intense cleaning. It's water resistant, making it easy to use in the shower, and the foldable nozzle simplifies storage. For convenient, effective ear hygiene, just fill with warm water to avoid discomfort. This folding step stool is built to meet a range of everyday needs, from helping kids reach the sink to assisting with high shelves. It supports up to 136 calories and folds down for easy storage, making it ideal for compact spaces. With a sturdy design, it's a practical addition for anyone needing a little extra reach. This cleaning gel effortlessly removes dust and dirt from tricky spots. Just press it into cracks or surfaces like keyboards, and it lifts debris as you pull it away. Made from a reusable, high-tech material with a refreshing scent, it's easy to handle. PEC. Perfect for electronics and car interiors. Simply store it in a cool place after each use.